Hi guys, so today I want to share this recipe for a French strawberry cake. This little cake is so moist and so delicious, and it's super easy to make. So to make it, you're going to need some sliced strawberries, some flour, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder. You're also going to need a couple of large eggs, some vanilla, a stick of butter that's room temp, a little bit of sour cream, and some sugar. Now to start this cake off, we're going to go ahead and whip our butter and our sugar together. We're going to whip it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to get it nice and fluffy. Now after our butter is nice and fluffy, we're going to mix in 1 egg at a time. You always want to remember to scrape your bowl down. We're going to beat in those eggs until our batter is nice and fluffy. So next we're going to go ahead and add half of our dry ingredients. We're going to kind of mix that in, not fully, but you want to kind of mix it in. And then we're going to add our sour cream next, and then you're going to add the rest of your dry ingredients. You're going to beat this just until everything's combined. You don't want to overbeat it. So next we're going to add in our strawberries, but before you add your strawberries to your batter, you want to go ahead and dust them in a little bit of flour. This is going to help prevent all the strawberries from sinking to the bottom of your cake. So it's totally worth the step. Here I have my 9-inch cake pan. I've sprayed it down with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to go ahead and add my batter and spread it out evenly. Now before we pop this in the oven, you're going to sprinkle some sugar on top of the whole cake. This is going to get the top of the cake nice and crispy and sweet. You guys, it is so good. So now we're just going to go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. This cake is so easy to make. Only a few ingredients. It's so moist and soft. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. The top is nice and crispy from that sugar. It reminds you of a strawberry shortcake, but it's packed with way more flavor than a strawberry shortcake, you guys. You can tell how moist that cake is. It's so good. Yum.